Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we will continue our decision making structures with the if else statement. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here is our source file. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so here we can start our program. Okay, so just write in the comment what we are going to do in this program. Okay, as usual we'll start with the header file #include stdio.h. okay, now void main function. Okay, now put here braces. Okay, so let me just declare here something. Okay, some variable. Let me declare int x here. Okay, and we will be declaring another variable if required. Okay, so now let me type in here in the print statement to give the input to the x, printf enter x. Okay, and now scanf to give the input and int here, so we will use %t. now put here a comma and then with the ampersand the name of the variable, that is x. Okay, now we will now we'll use if statement. Okay, now we will use if else statement. Okay, so now here write if, and as I told you in the last video, you have to give the condition here in the if block. Okay, so let me give here a condition like as x equal 10. Okay, now put here braces and use here some statements, anything what you want to execute if the condition comes true. Okay, so this is a statement. Okay, now after this the else part will come. Okay, and now put here braces and write here something. Okay, and let me type here you are pretty. Okay, and now put here semicolon. Okay, so now in the if else statement, if the condition is true, then the statement inside the if block will be executed. Okay, but what if the condition comes false? Then the statements written inside the else block will be executed. Okay, so now let me just run this program. Okay, enter x. So let me type in here first 10. Okay, as you can see you are awesome is printed here. Okay, now let me just run this again and let me show you what if the condition is false will show here. Okay, let me type here 2, and as you can see the condition is false as the value of x is 10, and now on false condition the else part is executed. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, and there is another one thing that you can remove these braces if only one statement is written inside the if or the else part. Okay, so here I have removed the braces because there is only one statement inside each if and else. Okay, now let me just run this again, and as you can see our program is running very well. Okay, now let me just give its input. Okay, as you can see you are awesome is printed as the value of the x is 10. Okay, so this is the way you can use the if else flow control, and I think the video is good enough, and in our next video we will learn about the nested if statement. Okay, this is Shoaib signing off. Take care, goodbye.